Hello and welcome. In this lecture, I'm going to talk about using content management software to enhance your productivity at work as well as your freelancing business. When you start a business, there are a lot of aspects that you need to look after. And as the business grows, a plethora of new factors get added to that list. In simple words, as we grow in our business, the process becomes more complex. Content management is one such aspect of any growing business. In this video, I'm going to talk about the following in short. What is content management? How is content management helpful? How does it help in time management and productivity? The best content management software. What is content management? Content management, in simple words, is a system where you can manage the contact information of all the employees of your organization or team. When I say manage the contact information, I mean everything including the employees' data, contact information like email and phone numbers, and relevant organizational information like hierarchy, position, teams, and the strategical groups. Everything needs to be on books and very well managed. How is content management helpful? Content management helps to deal with the overwhelming company address books. With proper content management, we can increase our productivity, efficiency, and manage the overall time effectively. Yes, content management is a time management tool as well. How does it help in time management and productivity? Managing contacts and employee profiles is a very time-consuming process and needs a lot of workforces to manage everything as per the prescribed system. Using a software will logically reduce manual involvement and also streamline the process. A content management software can automate a lot of manual jobs, which will increase the productivity of the team and the organization overall. A software can schedule appointments, align formats, and use standard forms to enter data so that we get consistency all over the system. Best content management software. There are a lot of CRM or customer relationship management software available in the market, and they also take care of contact management. Salesforce, HubSpot, ActiveCampaign, and FreeAgent are a few top CRM software. There are a lot of awesome features in this for which different users like different applications. I must agree that these applications have features which are very purposeful and effective as far as contact management is concerned. However, the one I like is POWER Connect, the dedicated content management software for teams and businesses. With POWER Connect, you can optimize the way your company stores and communicates with business contacts for free. POWER Connect is a very robust, effective, and reliable contact management software which is used by big organizations, small and medium businesses, and individual teams alike. It is a dedicated content management software that helps the team members to collaborate in real time. It ensures smooth communication and improved productivity. There are a lot of collaboration-friendly features in the application which help the users or the institutions enhance their overall operational productivity. POWER Connect is a cloud-based application that offers software as a service. The unique selling proposition of POWER Connect is their inimitable feature which enables the members to share business contact information with colleagues across the multiple devices like desktops, laptops, smartphones, and even tablets. Here are the various features of POWER Connect that make the application unique and very user-friendly. You may pause the video to go through all the features that are listed in the awesome application here. POWER Connect can be integrated with the following as well. Again, you may want to pause the video and take a note of this. Conclusion. With this, I have come to the end of this lecture. I hope you now know how a contact management software can help you in getting more productive at your work. I have also suggested my favorite product and the various features it comes with. You are free to choose this or anything else that makes you more productive and manage your time better. Let's move on.